Rally for a cause, uniting for change. Hello, and welcome to today's English learning journey. In this video, we'll explore the powerful phrase, rally for a cause. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also connects you to a broader cultural and social context. Let's dive into the essence of rallying for something you believe in. The phrase, rally for a cause, is composed of two parts, rally and a cause. To rally means to come together for a common purpose, often to support or oppose something. It implies unity, strength, and determination. A cause, in this context, refers to a principle or aim, usually of a charitable or political nature. When people rally for a cause, they unite to support a specific issue or movement, showing their commitment to making a change. Imagine a community coming together to rally for a cause, like environmental protection. People might organize events, spread awareness, and take collective action to promote sustainability and reduce pollution. This phrase can be applied to various scenarios, from small local gatherings to large-scale international movements. It's about standing together, sharing a voice, and striving for a better future. Rallying for a cause goes beyond individual action. It's about the collective power of people. When we rally for a cause, we're not just supporting an issue, we're joining a community of like-minded individuals. This unity can lead to significant change and highlight the importance of solidarity and teamwork in achieving common goals. You can use rally for a cause in various contexts, such as discussions about social movements, charity events, or political campaigns. It's a phrase that inspires action and empathy, encouraging people to think beyond themselves and contribute to a larger purpose. Rally for a cause is more than just a phrase. It's a call to action, a symbol of unity, and a testament to the power of collective effort. We hope this video has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also inspired you to think about the causes you're passionate about. Remember, every big change starts with a small step. Let's rally together for a brighter, better world. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next English learning adventure.